Hey, welcome to Diversity in Cinema Academy. I'm Theta Catalan, and this is the place to be if you're an independent filmmaker, video creator, and screenwriter. So y'all, woo, we almost done. Yes, we almost done with these 24 filmmaking tips till Christmas. Who's excited? I'm excited. So this video is going to be all about the composer. And the composer is the one who does the musical score for the film. Now, the musical score is basically the music that you hear that is help moving the film along. So it is not the songs that you hear that you pick out for films. It is the music that helps builds the tension or the ambiance or the suspense or whatever. And so it can be an orchestra, but obviously a lot of independent filmmakers cannot afford to have a full orchestra. So then you will be more than likely working with a composer who is creating all that music inside of their studio. If you have a story, especially if you have a suspenseful story, the composer is the one who is really helping tell that story. So that's why it is so important to make sure that you have enough in your budget to get a solid composer that knows how to tell a story with the music. Because y'all know when you have something suspenseful and you got that eerie feeling, it's creeping up on you, and then you can feel the swell of the music, and you starting to get on edge, and then boom, you have this crescendo and all this kind of stuff. And they do it as they are watching the film. So a lot of times new filmmakers, they will go get a clip of music from somewhere, or somebody say, hey, yeah, you can use this and just put it in your film, and then they just smack it on the scene. But the ebbs and flows of that composition is not synced up with the scene. So it just doesn't feel the same as if you have a composer who actually went with the ebbs and flows of the scenes and then built up to that crescendo. So that is why it is important for you to get a solid composer on your team, because they're the ones who help tell that story as well. They're the ones who help psychologically draw us into the story. So that is my little tip on why a music composer is important to your movie. If you want to know a little bit more about the composer, be sure to head on over to Diversity in Cinema Academy's website, where I have a complete job profile of what a composer do for your film. So next we are going to talk about the sound designer. So I'll see you in the next video. Hey, thanks for tuning in to my 24 filmmaking tips till Christmas. If you are enjoying this series, be sure to visit Diversity in Cinema Academy's website, where they have a ton of resources there. If you're interested in leveling up your film business, you can check out my online course,